Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. And today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. If you like guys, so please guys don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. So I hope all are doing good. So let's start with this picture. You can keep your decoration things. You can see this one also the beautiful place. You can see the beautiful decoration of wall. The side lights are going up and down, looking beautiful. You can see this one also the beautiful place, the up and down, and the decoration of wall, very beautiful decoration. You can see this one also the black color walls, pictures and decoration. You can see looking beautiful decoration. And you can see this one also the beautiful decoration. The plants, most small plants are going down, and the decoration is very beautiful decoration. And you can see this one also the wooden decoration they did. It's looking beautiful. You can see this one also the side wall. You can keep your things. You can sit here. Decoration is very beautiful decoration they did for this one. You can see this one also the golden color tree. You can see, and the screen you can see it's looking beautiful. You can see this one also looking very beautiful. The side lights are coming and the side curtain you can see. And you can see this is the place for book reading. You can read any book. You can see this one also the side lights going up and down sides. It is also looking very beautiful orange color lights. You can see this one also the lines on the wall and the lamp looking beautiful decoration. And you can see this one also the 34 color decoration of wall. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lights are coming from the decoration of wall. It is beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the wall black white color, and the decoration is beautiful. You can see this one also the white color lamp. In the window you can see this full looking very beautiful. And you can see this one also the white color wall, and it's looking very beautiful and attractive. So also you can see here take on. If you guys like, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all.